Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to connect Mailchimp to Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Squarespace and I'm going to add a newsletter. So I'm clicking on edit, and here I'm going to add a new section, and I'm selecting newsletter, and simply I'm selecting this bird or this layout, and now select the newsletter and click on this pencil icon, and now I'm going to storage. So here you can see Squarespace email campaigns are connected, and to use Mailchimp you have to select other storage option, and you have to click on this connect next to Mailchimp, and now you have to log in into your Mailchimp account using your Mailchimp username and password. And click on allow, and now you have to select a list and turn on require double opt in, and here you can see Mailchimp has been added, and now click on done, save, and I'm going to refreshing my page. So here is no red mark. It's mean I successfully connected my Mailchimp with my Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.